Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Preeti Khare.
And where do you stay?
I stay in Andheri East.
How old is your child?
I have twins who are 2 years old, Shaurya and Gyan.
Okay. So what exactly were you looking out for Shaurya and Gyan?
I thought Shaurya and Gyan, being twins, needed exposure to outside world, mainly because they're so connected with one another. So for me, social interaction and meeting other children, adults for instance, was very important. So my idea of sending them to school was not just academic, because that I was trying to satisfy them at home, but I wanted them to interact with the outside world. So hence I wanted them to go to school.
Okay. So what options did you consider for the same?
I mainly considered something that was closest to me, because managing 2 children of the same age is a challenge in itself. So logistics is very important, how I take them to school. So for me, proximity to home was very important. Secondly, I was very keen on meeting faculty members who are empathetic to parents and not just running it as a business. So that was a very important criteria, that they understand what child development is. And especially today, we send our kids very early to school. It's not like those days where a child went only at 3. Today, my kids have joined school when they were barely 15 to 16 months. So for me, how they look at a child in terms of safety, you can say just like a parent. That was very important.
That's right. So why did you choose Podar Jumbo Kids?
One is because it's close to my residence. Most importantly, I had heard a lot of good feedback from friends who had put their children here, and also I had met the owners and the promoters of this place, and I think they gave me a lot of confidence.
Okay.
And thirdly, maybe the affiliation with an institution like Podar, which also reinforces that confidence in an institution.
That's right. So with your experience, could you tell us 2 good things about Podar Jumbo Kids?
One is, like I mentioned, empathy. They understand what it is to leave a child behind. They understand what the parents really expect from an institution. So they are constantly giving you feedback on your children, and even if they don't and we go and ask them, they're extremely cooperative and friendly. So a mother especially feels happy to speak to people who are responsive to her,
Yes. So do you think there is any area of improvement for Podar Jumbo Kids?
Area of improvement, really, I would think maybe they could have some more activities in the early stages where they involve the mothers, especially the ones who are at home, to do activities with their children. So I think that is one area of improvement. Secondly, I wish they had a even larger space.
Okay.
So they had more outdoor sort of activities for the kids. These are the only 2 areas I would.
Okay. And so how likely are you to recommend Podar to
Very
other
high,
parents?
Very high.
On a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the
5.
highest?
I think in our current surroundings and in our area, I think this is the best as far as preschool is concerned. And they also advise you correctly what the stages even after preschool are. So their knowledge is not just restricted to preschool. I think both Pankaj sir and Sangeeta ma'am have the exposure and the right attitude to guide parents for even the later stages.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.